Hi everyone and welcome back to Homeheadchef. Today we're going to be making a sun-dried tomato pesto. Now homemade pesto can be a great addition to a sandwich, to a sauce, just to really elevate the flavors and make it good. We have a few simple ingredients that we need to make this, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what they are. For this recipe we're going to need 8.5 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes in oil. Going to need 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup of fresh basil, half a cup of a really high quality freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and if you want to add pine nuts, go with about 1/4 cup of those as well. And we're going to start by taking our tomatoes and oil, our fresh garlic, and our basil into a food processor, and we're going to blend this until the potatoes are a very fine consistency. Oh, doesn't that look good? That's the consistency we're looking for. Now we're going to transfer this into a bowl. Now we're going to stir in our Parmesan cheese a little bit at a time. Alright, let's give this a little taste to adjust the seasoning. That's really good. Give a little bit of salt, a little bit of fresh ground pepper. And we're going to stir this up. Alright, let's get a taste of this. Spread a nice little bit on some bread. You can really get that flavor. That is so good. The sun-dried tomatoes have a nice pop of freshness and richness. You get the sweetness from the basil. The garlic comes through. It's not overpowering. Now this is going to make a great addition to a pasta sauce or a topping on your sandwiches. You can mix it with a mayonnaise and make a sun-dried tomato pesto aioli. You can really do whatever you want with this to really increase the flavor in any of your dishes. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you're into the outdoors, I'll drop a link in the description for my outdoor channel. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.